After opening Standards Online, you can search using the standard number, no need to include the AS prefix, by title or with relevant keywords. If you don't have the number or the title, you can use categories to browse standards. Use the drop-down options to select the field, group, and subgroup of standards that you're interested in. You can use the filter options to narrow your results. Status and country can be particularly helpful. Filters will also be available on the left-hand side of the search results. Once you've found the standard you need, click on the number to see more details. It's a good idea to check the summary and scope, and use versions and cross-references to find related or updated standards. To view the full text of the standard, select View Online, or you can download the standard for offline reading. Our access to Standards Online is limited to 3 people at a time. If you see a message indicating we've reached our maximum allowed users, wait a few minutes and try again. When reading online, you also have options to print the current page, bookmark the page, or add your own annotations. Use the back button to close the full text. This will free up the license and make standards available to others.